Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn something really important. The square of a number. From CBSE Grade 8, Mathematics Textbook, GANITA PRAKASH, Chapter 1. A square and a cube. By the end of this video, you will be able to find the square of any number easily. Let's begin. First, let us understand what a square of a number means. When we multiply a number by itself, the answer we get is called the square of that number. We write it using a small 2 on the top right of the number. We read it as squared. Now, let us look at our examples one by one. Example 1. 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. We can write this as 1 squared equals 1. We read it as 1 squared. And so, the square of 1 is equal to 1. Example 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. We write this as 2 squared equals 4. We read it as 2 squared. The square of 2 is equal to 4. Example 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. 3 squared equals 9. Read as 3 squared. The square of 3 is equal to 9. Example 4. 6 multiplied by 6 equals 36. 6 squared equals 36. We read it as 6 squared. So the square of 6 is equal to 36. Example 5. Now a slightly bigger number. 15 multiplied by 15 equals 225. 15 squared equals 225. Read as 15 squared. The square of 15 is equal to 225. Excellent. Now let us look at the definition one more time. A number multiplied by itself is called its square. In general, for any number n, we write n multiplied by n as n squared. This is the notation we will use throughout this chapter. Now it is time to try a problem together. The question is, find the square of 8. Step 1. Write it as a multiplication. 8 squared means 8 multiplied by 8. Step 2. Now multiply. 8 multiplied by 8 equals 64. So, the square of 8 equals 8 squared, which equals 8 multiplied by 8, which equals 64. That is our answer. Great work everyone. You have just learned how to find the square of a number. Practice this with a few numbers and it will become very easy very soon. Here is your challenge for today. Can you find the square of 12? Solve it in your notebook and write your answer in the comments below. I will check and reply. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe and follow us for more such math videos. See you in the next session, where we will explore more on this chapter. GRAPTICS, One World, One Math, let's learn together.